friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purva and today I'm making changes in the node modules library. You might wonder why. It often happens there are some issues in the dependencies that we are using. You can go to the node modules, make changes, but as soon as you run npm install, those changes are gone. So today I'm going to create some patches to use it effectively in my code. Even if I push those changes in GitHub after rerunning npm install, those changes should still be there. Now, the ideal way to do this is, of course, to create the pull request in that library, but we all know it might take some time for those changes to get merged. Meanwhile, we want to still test those changes. If you're a single developer, it's fine. You can make changes in the node modules and then test it locally. But as soon as you push your changes in GitHub, those changes are going to be lost. I'm using npm, but if you're using yarn, click on the link above to watch the next video where I am using yarn and trying to patch the package. So I will just give a quick example. In my project, I'm using React Bootstrap carousel and I'm putting carousel. So let's say if you have to make some changes inside the carousel, you'll go to the library and you see when you click on it, it will take you the TypeScript file. And then we can go to the node modules with the help of the Explorer view. Here you can see that on the left side carousel.js is also exposed because I'm using npm, and here you can see everything directly in the node modules. So let's say I'm going to not make any major change, but I'll just add console.log for simplicity, and I'm going to log this is my patch change. Okay, I made this change. Of course, if I rerun it, then this should reflect in my window. After a quick npm start, you see my window is loaded and you can see these changes in the console.log. This is my patch change. It was in use effects, so it will be logged every time there's some change in the carousel. Now, if I run npm install again, these changes are of course gonna go. Thing we have to do is install a package in our repository. This package is called patch package. So as usual, npm install patch package. Once this is installed, we are going to add this into a post install script. This is installed. Go back to your package.json and add another script, post install, and you just have to add the command patch package. Save it, then go back to your carousel file, copy the name of this library. In my case, it's React Bootstrap. In your case, it could be something else. Go back to your terminal, and here we are going to apply that package to create a patch file. We will use npx patch package and then the library name. Hit enter. This will create a temporary folder and will also create the patch for this library. This will look something like this. You can also create an issue in that repository with this patch directly from your terminal. Let's go back to VS Code. Here you see a new folder will be created called patches, and when you open it, there will be a new patch which is created with your latest changes. Here you can see one of my change is created over here, and this looks good. This is gonna stay even if after you run npm install. To confirm this, let's go back and run npm install once again. Let's reconfirm this. Patch is going to be there. We have this library. We go to the node modules and open the Explorer view, go to carousel.js, and you see that my log statement is still there. Similarly, if you make any other change, it is still going to be there after you rerun the npm install or if you push it to your GitHub. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.